Yeah, hello. Yeah, so welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name still remain the same. I'm Kenny Rhymes, the co-founder of Random Technology Company. Yes, I welcome you all to your fresh and new episode on my humble and noble platform. Here, we're talking about how to make money online, how to do investment, how to start up online company. Yeah, so today I want to show you how you can start your own company from scratch. And this one people are saying that the drop shipping is not relevant in Africa and blah 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 blah. Yeah, so today I want to show you how you can set up a real Shopify store in Ghana that can earn you $60 daily. How you can start everything. So I'll be doing this as a full course if you join my mentorship or my membership. So I will leave the link in my description if you want to join my membership and mentorship program. I will teach you as a full course and how you can run your own ads without paying anything on the ads and how you can make your money from it. So let's start and pay attention to it from the beginning to the end. Yeah. So first of all, let's start everything. So all stores. So let's start with creating a new store. Yeah. So I want to create a new store. Create a new store. So when you open Shopify, I will leave I'll leave the link in the description. So if you want to create an account over there and start your own business, that's it. So let's get started. Which of these best describe you? So if you are new to the business, to the online business, you say I'm just starting. But if you have been there before, you can say I am already selling online or in person. But let me start with I'm just starting. And where would you like to sell? So we have an online store. So I'll create fully customized website. Create a fully customized website. One, and social media. So that one too. An online marketplace. An existing website or blog. Add a buy button in this one too. Let me take everything. Yeah. So I'll go. So what do you plan to sell? Product I buy or make myself. So this one is the drop shipping. So it will ship by you. So first of all, so let's go drop shipping products sourced and shipped by third party, drop shipping digital products, services, and a print on demand. That's a t-shirt that you print on. So let me click on that one too. Because you don't know what the future holds. Yeah. So you have to make the website very nice. So your country is Ghana. Choose an account to continue. So I can say that to continue with this thing. So you choose your account. So it will take time and create the website for you. Yeah. So let's wait small. Yeah. Yeah. So right now, your account is what is done. Yeah, your account is done. Yeah. So when you open it, this how the account looks like. Yeah. So it's time for you to make the account very, very, very nice. Yeah. So this how you set the account. First of all, you have to add products. So this how you can add products. So the products you want to sell. So let's say, let's say Jordan one. Let's say Jordan one. So then you write the description here. Jordan one. Yeah, Jordan one. Jordan one is a very like, and this one, this description you can let Chat GPT write it for you. So you can go to Chat GPT for it to write the description for you. Where's my Chat GPT? So let me go to Chat GPT. Chat. So you can let Chat GPT write it for you. So write a description for Jordan 1, for Jordan 1 sneaker. It's that thing. So it will write the description for you. Then all you need is to just copy it. So you have to copy it. Control plus C. Then you go to your store and you paste it over here. You see it. Then you upload the sneaker. So you can download the sneaker from online or the store you want to do the dropshipping with. So you go there and you download their thumbnail and you come and post it over here. Yeah. So this it. Then you price it. So let's say this sneaker is, let's say, $50. So this one is in Ghana cedis. Yeah, in Ghana cedis. Yeah. So the pricing, cost per item, profit margin, and things. Compare at price. So let's say 500 cedis. This one, if you don't understand, to display a markdown, enter a value higher than your price. Often show with a strict true. So this one you can see 700 Ghana cedis. $700. So that means the reason why I say 700 is that if you're doing drop shipping with a product, let's say I'm doing drop shipping. So let's say I buy my goods from Amazon. So when I go to Amazon or Jumia and say that, okay, this sneaker is cost 500 cedis. So this 500 cedis, I'll say, okay, the price is 500 cedis, but I have to put 20 cedis as what, as my profit on it. Yeah. So though the person will see that as what 700 cedis, so that when the person buy it, automatically I'll also buy it from Amazon as 500 cedis and have 200 cedis as what profits. You see that thing? and 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 you, if you come down here, continue selling when out of stock. So the shop, so you can say that you have some pair, like let's say 10 pair of the sneakers, but when it's finished you can still be selling so that you can find some of the skin sneakers for them, because at times if you say that, okay, the sneakers is just 10, when it's finished the market will stop. Yeah, so I'll click on continue selling it. If it has a barcode, you can say that it has a barcode and you put the barcode over here. Yeah, this one you come and what, identify it. So this is the physical products. So when someone buy the physical products, like the weight of the products and everything. Yeah. So search engine. So this is your product link and everything. Yeah. So you can say that online, publishing online and things. So you read everything over here. The product type, you can say product type. You put the product type and the vendor and the tags and everything, and the team tag, a team templates. You can add a team templates and everything. So I'll go to save. And this one, if you don't know anything about it, you can choose not to do. So the product has been created. So let me go and check the store. So when I go to the store, this is your store. Have you seen it? So right now it means that you have one sneaker over here. You have one sneaker over here. So that thing. Yeah. And this sneaker, when someone purchase this sneaker, you see, That's what it was 700 cedis, and you have put it as for 500 cedis. So it means that you're running a promotion. You see that thing? That's one trick about it. So let me show you this trick. Let me show you this trick. This real quick. So let's do it. If you go to stores and you see you say, hey, nah, they have. So let's say let me price this thing. Okay, let me price this thing 700 cedis, and do this one 1,000. Do this one. Let's say 1,000. Do this one. Cost per item is 700 cedis. You see that thing? And let me come in and say. So this one of the tricks like this people they use on us, and they be like, hey, then this product they have reduced the cost, so then let me buy it. You see that thing? Yeah. So the this all will make everything very very, very nice. See that thing? So let me go to it's active now. Let me go to the online catalog. You see that thing? So you see, so it means so when someone see this thing, person will think that it was 1,000 Ghana cedis, and right now you are selling it for 700 Ghana cedis. You see that thing? So when a person and like click on it, it will come add buy it now. You see that thing? Yeah. So I haven't like launch the site yet. So this how it will look like. And after that, you will launch it. I haven't launched it yet because like I have to complete all these things. You see that thing? Yeah. So this how you can set up your Shopify store and start selling online. And in my mentorship, I will show you how you can promote your product and how you cannot advertise the product even without paying for ads. I'll show you all these things and how you can make. So have you seen that? I also have this store. You see the store? You see the store? Yeah, a shirt store. A shirt store. You see? Yeah. So you can choose to make like I will show you how you can design your Shopify store as a pro. I will show you everything how you can design. So when I come to home, we have something we call team. So launch your store. This one I'm not launching it right now. Store settings, name your store. So you have to name the store and everything. That one I haven't done everything. Set your shipping rates, set up your payments provider. So the payment provider will allow the person say that okay, I want to pay with Momo or bank accounts or this thing. Is that thing? Yeah. So you have to set everything. Yeah. So I think it's very easy and it's very understandable, right? Yeah. So this is how you can set up your Shopify store in Ghana and sell your products in Ghana cities and make up to $60. That's 600 cities like a day, depending on the products you're selling. Yeah. So I think I'm done. And don't forget to join my mentorship and I'll show you how you can start your dropshipping from scratch. So the name still remains the same. I'm Ken Rhymes and I'm out. Thank you.